little friends! Welcome to Tiny Melody Land. Today we're learning how to brush our teeth. Let's smile together. Healthy smiles come our way, up and down, round and round. Happy teeth can all be found. Teeth first, nice and slow. Brush so gently, watch them glow. Little circles, take your time. Sparkly teeth look so fine. Tiny bubbles, foamy white. Brush so softly, feels just right. Take your smiles, begin to glow. Teeth too, don't forget. Brush them well, they're smiling yet. Brush, brush, 1, 2, 3. Healthy smiles for you and me. Round and round, in little circles. That's the way to do it. Tiny bubbles, foamy white. Brush so softly, feels just right. Take your time, nice and slow. Happy smiles begin to glow. Swish the water, rinse away. Clean, fresh mouth every day. Spit it out, smile so wide. Healthy teeth fill us with pride. Brush, shiny bright. Morning, noon, and every night. Healthy smiles, hip hooray! Brush your teeth every day. See you next time in Tiny Melody Land. Remember, brush every morning and every night. Bye-bye!